Everyone. So this problem has two parts. First is we have to take a decimal number as input, decimal integer, and we have to convert it to binary using successive division. Okay. So let's solve this part first. So let's say decimal equal to int input. Okay. So we'll use a while loop. So while the decimal number is still greater than zero, we'll use successive division. Okay. Now what we'll do is we'll use a combination of. Okay. Okay, so the remainder after dividing decimal by 2 should be appended to the string in or should be appended to the result in reverse order. And this can be easily done if we keep the result as a string. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll keep this result as a string. Okay, the operation that we are performing is decimal mod 2. Okay, remainder should be added in reverse order. So we are adding it before the existing string. So it will be added in reverse order. Okay, so this is concatenation that is taking place over here. And then we have the successive division thing. Okay, so this is successive division. And then we print the result. We print the result binary. This is our binary answer. Okay, so this is the part one. We can try this. Let's say enter a decimal number. We enter 15. Oh, sorry. I did not write the equal to sign over here. This is integer division and then equal to. Okay, so decimal was never getting updated. We had entered an endless loop basically. So which I have to. Okay, so now this should work. Okay, so binary is all ones. Let's do something which is not symmetric. Let's say 1100. We'll get 1100 when we have 12. Okay, so let's say we give the input as 12. Okay, okay, so it's working. There is another way to convert this. Okay, it simply returns the binary representation of an integer. Okay, so whatever the decimal itself is getting updated over here, right? So what we can do is, let's say, we'll take a backup of decimal over here to use later again. Let's say temp equal to decimal, and let's say we'll binary of temp. Okay, and we'll say this is using the bin function, using the bin function. This is using the bin function. Let's say we enter 12 itself. Using the bin function, we get 0b1100. So that means it's an integer literal with 0b appended or prefixed to it just to indicate that it's a binary string. Okay. You can also, take a slice of it. So 0, 1 slice should start from 2, right? You can print it in this way as well. Okay. Okay. So this was the part A, part 1. Now part B is we have to convert it back to decimal. Now this is very simple. To convert it back, let's say we take another fresh number as input from the user. So binary is equal to, okay, same thing, give as input, enter a binary number as input, and then can directly use the int constructor. Okay, so int binary comma 2 and just print decimal value. Yeah, done. Okay, let's clear the terminal. Let's say 12. Now we enter a binary number, let's say 1101, which should be 13, right? So we get a decimal value as 13. Okay. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, any doubts, do post them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.